Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using our Brother Scan-A-Cut machine to make this really cute pumpkin or Thanksgiving treat box. How fun is that? Alright, let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into the Canvas workspace. I am also using the desktop version. So the very first thing it brings up is this Canvas Project Pattern Collection window. And the design we're making is actually this Thanksgiving gift box right here. If for some reason you can't find that on this main screen, go where it says search and then just click inside there with your mouse. It'll bring up all these bubbles and find the one that says Thanksgiving, which is right here. And then you're going to find the Thanksgiving box here. Going to click on that. It's going to bring up mat A and mat B, letting us know we need two mats to make the box. We see we have one piece that's going to be the box itself, and then the sleeve is the second piece. I'm going to click on mat A. Let that process, then move this out of my way to make sure that's on my design area. Go back and click on mat B as well. Move that out. I can see everything is there. I can now close this out. All right, so we have the sleeve that's going to go around our box, and then we have the leaves here. As I said before, with the Brother Scan-A-Cut, you're not able to cut anything or send this to your machine when you have things outside of that red bounding box. So what I'm going to do is hide these layers. So on the right-hand side toolbar, it is the third icon down. It says layers. I'm going to click on this sleeve, and you can see when we click on it here, it's highlighted over here in blue. I'm going to close the eye on that one, click on this one, close the eye on that one as well, and then lastly, this piece, go to click on that one, and then close that piece. All right, so now we just have the box. So to send it to our machine, you want to go to the top toolbar, click on File, Export. Is going to bring up a warning because telling us that the images that we hid are not going to transfer, which is fine. Going to click OK, and then hit Transfer. Going to click OK, so I'm going to go to my machine, cut that piece out, come back to the software, go ahead and hide the eye on that piece, and then open up the other eyes. So I'm going to put a piece of yellow cardstock on my left-hand side, and a piece of green in the upper right, and a piece of green in the lower right. And then once again, you want to go to File, Transfer. And then again, it's going to bring up that same warning because we hid the actual box this time. Go to click OK, then Transfer. So I'm going to cut everything out to go to the table, and we'll put the box together. All right, we are back. All of our pieces are cut out. We're first going to work with the box itself. Go ahead and fold all those square marks. Go down the middle, get all these ones. Okay, so there's our box. I'm going to grab my glue. I'm using the Bearly Art glue. And we're first going to put glue on this little tab right here. You want to have your glue go edge to edge. Then just bring this piece over, lining it up. It does lay flat. All right, so super simple box. You're just going to take your bottom, fold those in, and fold that in. All right, so that quick the box is done. All right, now we have this piece. Going to find the square marks. Another one of those really easy treat boxes to put together. You can also use it for like a Thanksgiving place card as well. Alright, so we have all that done. All this is scored. So again, we're going to put glue on the flap, edge to edge. Then bring this piece over. And again, it will lay flat. Sorry if you hear the kids outside, I have the windows open today. Alright, so we have our sleeve that slides over the box. Now when I did my box, I think my glue might not have been dried. So we're going to see if this goes on there. There we go, much easier. So mine, I can't get my box out, so make sure your glue is dry before you go to do this part. And then we have our little leaf. I'm going to fold it right in half. And then this leaf as well. Alright, now, let's grab our twine and my scissors. And I'm going to go through the back of the one that says thanks and through the front of this one. So I got both leaves on there. Actually, I'm going to go the other way. Try that again. So I'm going to go to the back of this one, the back of both of them. There we go. Alright, I'm going to tie it into a little knot. Not a bow, but only because my twine is super thick. Just like that. I'm going to double knot it so it stays together. These off. Okay. Now to put on my box, I'm going to use some foam squares. I'm going to put them on the back of the word thanks. Give them a squish, take the backing off. Alright, put them on our box. So this leaf kind of just is by itself. So you want to make sure you have that thanks bent up so you can see it. Put it on top. How cute, right? So there's that one and there's that one. Really fun. This is a good sized box too. Probably, if I had to guess, maybe 3 by, yeah, so it's 3 wide by 2 tall, probably about 3 inches tall. So there you have it, guys, a really easy Brother ScanNCut project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.